Okay, so here we are on Organota in Palau. Our pilot is Noor. I'm Ian. This is Thomas. So we're going to do a quick 500-meter dive, have a look at the nice slope that's down there, and try some systems and work on the proportional and see how she behaves. We have verticals both sides, okay.
Just curious if you could say some words about walnut.
Yeah, so here we are. We're down at 1,039 meters with some creatures. We're not really sure what they are.
Look at these lollipops.
So we're in warm mode, so we don't blow them away.
Jelly. That's some type of comb jelly. Bloody hell, look at that. Oh yeah.
Yep.
It's not a sharp image.
That Ian, we don't blow them away.
You see, like every creature, every soft coral like this, I'm telling you, there's so many new things. Numbness of the coral here. The lollipop.
Oh, that's cool.
Look at that. And then a soft coral there. We haven't even landed.
We're landed now.
We didn't blow it up, but we stepped. Beautiful.
That's quite amazing. Just look at the wall as it goes up.